disqualified!
Only if you're knocked off it, silly, not if you leave it. And as you can see, I'm flying!
You assholes are always making up the rules as you go!
You know, you should complain less and fight more. So how about I turn things up a notch? Let's see you dodge jauntily, if you can, that is!
Like I said, how in the blue hell is that a uniform?
That thing's got frickin' whistle missiles too?
Oh, where's the referee when you need one?
Suck on some of this! I gotcha! Get your ass down here and fight me!
You can't tie me down! I'll cut those flimsy ropes!
Senkatz's body is 100% life fibers! You ain't gonna cut through them that easy!
How'd it go, Ryugo?
She's right. Yakuza can't cut through life fibers. The ground, on the other hand.
Let's see how you handle this!
Don't worry, I can handle these explosions.
Damn it! The ground's breaking up!
Oh dear, she's taking a tumble.
Looks like the comms tracking system's offline. The explosion must have knocked it out.
You're the last person I expected to hear from. This about the girl in the Kamui?
Yeah, you could say that.
She's trying real hard out there, but... well...
Hey, Senketsu! Are you up for doing something really, really reckless?
I'll do my best.
Bye-bye!